Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my basic skincare routine that I normally follow and normally do when I stay indoors and I don't really go out. So these are few basic things that I do to keep my skin hydrated and looking radiant all the time. So if this is the very first time you're seeing this bare naked face, my name is Natalia and you're welcome to my channel. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so that each time I come up with a video you get notified, and even follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I do after cleansing my face, it's my face with rose water. Now splitting your face with rose water is not mandated, it's not mandatory, but I like doing it because it helps me feel that my skin gets that kick boost, that moisturizing effect and that wake up effect in the morning. Now the next thing I do is for my lips, I give them some nice love. So I go ahead and follow up with a good lip butter. The lip butter that I'm using today is from Bellicent. It is the hot chocolate lip butter. So let me go ahead. So that's how it looks. I'm just going to go ahead and take a little. A little goes a long way. So moisturization of lips done. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a nice good layer of toner on my face, and for that I am going to be using the one from Rikiehl's. I hope you can see that. This one is the pore refining face toner for oily acne prone skin. So I'm going to take a little amount of it. There you go, it's water like consistency. Going to dab it on my hands and pour it all over my face. Okay, I like to dab these products in rather than swiping it because it helps in better absorption into the skin. So the product penetrates deeper within. There you go. This is what a toner does to your face. Any toner, it just goes ahead and gives your skin that life back that's required, that moisture back that's required. Okay, now what I do is after every step and following the next step, I go ahead and damp my face. You can do it with rose water, you can do it with normal drinking water. The idea behind damping your face before every step is prepping your face for the next step. And if you know that damping your face before every step helps the product to penetrate better, it's simply just like the idea of a sponge. If you take a wet sponge and put something on it, it soaks faster compared to a dry sponge. So keep that logic in mind and consider your face like a sponge. So go ahead, damp your face before every step. So moving on to the next step, but before moving on to that step, again I'm going to mist my face with rose water, or you can take normal water. There you go, I've gone ahead, splits my face again, and moving on to the next step. Make sure you use a good moisturizer. Considering your skin type, select a moisturizer that suits your skin the best. So make sure you go ahead, know what your skin type is and select a good moisturizer. Right now here I'm using the one again from Rikiehl's. This is their Skin Radiant Cream. It's good for all skin types. I'm going to go ahead and use this. Taking a coin size amount, heating it at the tip of my fingers, and then I just damp it all over my face. Now with these two fingers, I just go ahead and give it a nice massage into the skin. Okay, that is done, and this is how my face looks. Now what I'm going to be doing is, the next step that I do is I never forget my under eyes. So I reach out to an under eye cream. If you don't have an under eye cream, no problem, take a little extra product on this finger of yours. This is the least amount of pressure you can put on your face with this finger. Go ahead, put some product here and dab it under your eyes. So never forget your under eye, because your under eye tends to get wrinkled faster than the rest of your face. So give them some love too. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be using this from Aroma Magic. This is lightening and refreshes. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. It's a gel-like consistency. Taking it at the tip of these fingers, heating it a little bit and dabbing it under my eyes. Okay, under eyes done. My under eyes looks refreshed. Now for all this to settle in, you need to give it at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that you can follow up with your makeup routine. But for me, I'm not going to do any kind of makeup, so I'm stopping right here. I am sealing the deal with another layer of rose water. There you go. So now for my lips, I'm going to be adding some color to my face by using a nice tinted lip balm on my lips. This is from Lotus. This is the Color Kick Lip Sugar. So I'm going to be using this shade. Okay, tinted lips done. Now for my eyes, I like to give my eyes a little wake in the morning and I don't like them looking really sleepy. I go ahead and use a nice kajal under my eyes. So right now I'm using the one from Lakme. I've kind of tried almost all the kind of kajals out there, but somehow I return back to this one and I kind of like this, so I'm going to put that under my eyes. So there you go, kajal done, hair combed, and I am ready for the day. So this is what I would like to tell you, is that even though you're indoors and you're not going to go out anywhere, but still go ahead, follow a skincare routine, moisturize your skin, use a toner, and look pretty. It's not always about using makeup and all of that. You can even prep your skin and look your best without makeup. Provided you take care of your skin every single day, and even the least amount of makeup you use on those special days will give you maximum benefits and maximum results. So I urge you to go ahead, take care of your skin every single day as much as you're taking care of your loved ones at home. So for now, take care, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.